This is Thrive's Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella, and you just can create this gorgeous highlight. You can put it anywhere you want. You can put it over here, put it on the eye, and it's just gonna make everything pop. Love. Tower 28 sent us the lip jelly in Fearless. Now, you might look at this and say, I'm scared to wear that. Maybe that's why they named it Fearless. Check it out. It's actually the perfect color for your lips. It looks like your own lip color. Super hydrating, love it. Next we have Joffra's highlight stick. They have this amazing highlighter stick that you can place on your cheeks, on your lips, on this clavicle bone. Love it on the clavicle bone, honey. Super hydrating, looks really good, looks super natural, blendable, easy. So Innisfree sent us their best seller discovery set. So this comes with the pore cleansing mask. So you would put it all over. Feels amazing. Take it off with a little water after 15 to 20 minutes and you have new skin. So next is this gorgeous intensive hydrating serum with green tea. Hello, green tea seeds. So you take a little bit and warm it up in the hand, place it all over. It smells divine. It's gonna penetrate and wake up the skin. It's like a drink of water for your skin. It feels so good. Don't forget your neck. Last but not least is the Youth Enriched Cream with Orchid. This is for firming, brightening, smoothing, and strengthening the skin. You take care of your skin, it's gonna take care of you, and then your makeup routine is gonna be so much easier. Ta-da! Okay, this is a new brand that I'm obsessed with, Priori. They are smart peel pads, LCA smart peel pads. So this is something that you would use on clean skin. You just would wipe it all over your skin and you might feel a slight tingling because this is an exfoliant. I would say start using this once a week and then you build up your tolerance to it. But this is gonna make dull skin bright. It's gonna help with uneven skin texture, skin tone, and then also with breakouts during that time of month. If this is something that's like bugging you out, get rid of all that dead skin cell and just do this nice swipe all over the skin. Creates a brightness. It's like a skin restart. It's fantastic. So Jurlique is back, baby. They're back with their Rosewater Balancing Mist. This is refreshing, it's hydrating, it's restorative. So you can either spritz it on yourself, or you can spritz it onto your hands and press it in. But you should start every makeup application like this. It smells so good. Lumafy is the first and only redness relieving eye drop of its kind. It's the best, and I use it on myself, or I'll use it on my clients before I do their makeup because one drop, that's all you need is one drop. It works within 1 minute and lasts up to 8 hours. It takes away all the redness, so you look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. I love this so much. If you have contact lenses, you're gonna wanna put this in and then wait 10 minutes to put your contacts in, just so you know. But there's nothing like this out there. This is the best, the best.